Everybody should be talking about this deal on TikTok Shop. This thing is like $27 on the TikTok Shop with your 40% off code. It's like $100 on Target right now. I know I need to change this filter. Give me a second, I'll show you. If I did not have this air purifier, I'd be breathing in all this dust. I mean, at this point, it's literally a no-brainer. For $27, you might as well get it. If you have any cats, dogs, dusty room, no air circulation in the home, you might as well just get it. It makes it so much better. Plus, it'll make your room smell good.